Car whisperer in action. So last weekend, my dad asked me to help get his old 92 sedan running again. I figured it would be a fun bonding experience, just some father-son time, a bit of elbow grease, and maybe a cold soda at the end. We popped the hood, poked around at some wires, and tried all the usual stuff: new battery, fresh oil, even the trick where you tap the starter with a wrench and act like you know what you're doing. Nothing. The car just sat there, silent, like it was judging us for not being certified mechanics. After a couple hours and a fair amount of language that would make a spark plug blush, my mom wandered out to check on us. She leaned in and, half joking, said, "Aw, come on, you beautiful piece of engineering. Just start for the boys, will you?" And the thing actually coughed, sputtered, and rumbled to life. Dad and I just stared at each other, open-mouthed, like we'd just witnessed a miracle or an extremely niche episode of Pimp My Ride. Naturally, we thought it was a fluke, so we switched it off and tried again. This time, I tried sweet-talking it. "You're looking shiny today, champ. I bet you could outpace a Tesla." Boom, started right up. Dad gave it a go. "You've got the best upholstery in the neighborhood." It practically purred. We spent the next hour alternating between flattery and attempts to start the car, and every time we complimented it, it started. Every time we didn't, nothing. By this point, I was complimenting the air filter's natural charisma and telling the exhaust pipe it had real leadership potential. So now, instead of learning how to replace a carburetor, I've learned to dish out affirmations to an inanimate object with self-esteem issues. My dad says I'm wasting my mechanical skills, but honestly, I think I've just invented a new career path. I'm officially a car flatter.